Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, whatever time it is. Welcome to my channel, and today I have a special guest.
Hi everyone.
We'll be playing a game called Never Have I Ever. It's a very common game, and most of you have heard about it.
I'm excited.
So we'll start. Never have I ever shoplifted.
I have
Never.
to save myself and to explain. I was really young. I didn't know better. Actually, I did know better because I knew how to steal. But still, I was very young. I was like in class 4, for those who know, 844 system. So yeah.
Never have I ever walked into a glass window.
I have.
Never.
And it was painful on the forehead.
Never. Never have I ever bet on something. I have.
Never. I don't trust in betting. I believe it's gambling.
Okay. Never have I ever forgotten my friend's birthday.
Never.
I have. Every time. Never have I ever spied on my neighbors. I have. It's a very common thing.
Yeah.
Never have I ever went viral online.
Never. Unfortunately. Never. Good or bad reason.
Never have I ever played Spin the Bottle. Never.
I have. And it's a really fun game. You should try it.
I will. Never have I ever locked myself out of my house.
I have. Actually, not even the house, the gates. I lost the keys to our main gate, and boy, did I suffer. Sorry for another day.
I don't think I have. Never have I ever pretended I was sick for attention. I have.
I have a lot. Everyone is guilty. Don't judge us. You have to.
Never have I ever embarrassed myself in front of my crush. I have. These are very common things. Never have I ever been robbed.
That's a story for another day. I've been robbed, I've been duped, and I was left stranded without fare or anything.
So sad. Never have I ever opened someone else's mail. Maybe message, but mail.
For me, not even a message. So never. I don't like snooping.
The message I opened because the phone was on, and that was the first message I saw. So I just did. Never have I ever fallen asleep in the cinema.
Never.
Same never.
Too interesting to fall asleep.
Never have I ever hidden money under a mattress. I have.
Who hasn't?
I have, and then my cousin stole them. Such a sad story. Never have I ever broken a promise.
Unfortunately, I have. And it's sad. I'm not proud to say, but I have.
I break promises every day. We should maybe stop it at that. Let's stop it at that. And there's more to this video. You should subscribe to her channel. The link will be down below in the description so that you can watch the second part of this video.
Yay!
Thanks for watching. Bye.